Yeah, this song is bound to leave a bad taste in your mouth, because it's me. But these beet chips left a bad taste in my mouth. So I have an excuse. Who buys beet chips anyways? Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could I be so blind? We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open heart, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open eyes, hoping you'll see what your love means to me with open arms. Living without you, living alone. This empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you home. Now that you've come back, the time not today. I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here with open arms, hoping you'll say what your love means to me with open arms. In and out of horrible harmonies, in and out of sanity. This was an awesome OC. Good thing you nailed it. I know I can count on you at least.
Thank you.